Welcome to Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.
Welcome to Marshall Skoda Nottingham, and thank you for your inquiry on this lovely Karoq. Front LED, it's also got lights, that is, front LED lights, front sensors. It's a very tidy car. Just show you around to the back. Also has rear sensors and a reversing camera, which is just there. Very clear picture. Take you into the boot. Large boot space with the space saver wheel. Alcantara seats. DSG with the KV70YNA keyless entry. All the other bits there. Also it has the nav as well. Just to confirm the mileage, 1937. Thank you once again for your inquiry, and please do call one of the team here at Skoda Nottingham on 015 9202 355. Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.